good evening po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Vibery. First of all, I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for the privilege to be nominated as Best Supporting.
Salamat. And of course, I also want to inspire all the youth out there, lalo na ngayon, nagaganap po ang Pinoy Big Brother auditions namin.
Ito man sa 150 na. Papakapi ka na. Sino? 550. Isasarap ka din.
Kasama mo ako. Ako naman.
Hi, bye, bye.
Bye.
Aray!
Ay. Sa dito? Last year. Okay, video. Okay, ready?
Uy, wala na ako kasama gumawa ng sakto. Team point. Ako na.
Ito naman po. Ito naman po. Last one lang. 1, 2, 3.
Gusto mo na ako.
Kali yan.
Ha? 50 kya. 50 kya?
Congratulations.
Hello, Vibery! Go, Vibery! Gaga Karina yan. Karina at
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Vibery. I play the role of Dara.
And I'm Buji. I'm Karina Bautista. Good evening, everyone. In behalf of Can't Buy Me Love and Direct Pay and Star Cinema and Star Creatives, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming show.
Yan. Thank you everybody sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, sa lahat po ng judges. Maraming salamat po. Village People Choice Awards. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Congratulations to all our awardees. Grabe partner, there you have it. We are almost halfway through the conclusion of tonight's reveal of winners. Pero ito yun.
That is right. But before that, of course, let's thank our dear sponsors again. The 5th BPCA Choice or the 5th BP Choice Awards. Lead presenter is Bingo Plus, co-presented by Fleet Philippines and
Are creating a buzz and gaining recognition among both the people and critics.
The nominees are Zephanie, Roxy Smith, Karina Bautista,
Hi, Karina yan.
Annie Abaya, Jada Avanzado, and Sarah Edwards.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Karina Bautista.
Hi, good evening everyone! Ako po si Karina Bautista. Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Village people for nominating me and seeing my talent and saying na isa ako promising star. Wow! And I would like to greet my fans, supporters, who I call the Creveres family because they care for me so much. I would also like to thank my mom, my family, my friends, my loved ones. Maraming. So to have that and this na magsabay is truly humbling and it reminds me of where I came from. Kaya naman, this is proof that dreams really do come true. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Proud Jowa.
The
Yes.
VP Choice Awards for TV Supporting Actor of the Year Award goes to people's favorite actor who delivered outstanding performances as a supporting cast member in a television series.
And the nominees are John Lucas for Black Rider, Makoy De Leon for FBJ's Batang Quiapo, Mikoy Morales for Maging Sino Ka Man, Anthony Jennings for Can't Buy Me Love, Will Ashley for Unbreak My Heart, and Mikael Diaz for Royal Blood.
The VP Choice Award goes to John Lucas. Congratulations!
Si John, ano si John pala? Ako wala ang alaga ni Oswan.
Pero kasama yung mga anak niya.
Paano mangyala? Maya mag-live siya. Sa akin, di ba? YouTube.
Hello po everyone, ako si John Lucas. Wow, first time po after 11 years, ngayon na tayo nakatanggap ng ganitong pangalan.
Maraming ano.
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon Diyos sa patuloy na pagpapaloob sa atin ng hanap buhay. Finally, ayun nga po, after na ilang taon, ay na-recognize na rin po ang ating ginagawa sa television. Yun, gusto kong i-alay ito. Noon ay gusto kong, hanggang ngayon naman, pero ang una kong ipinangako na magkakaroon po tayo ng ganito sa aking mga magulang. Kaya ngayon po ay parehas ng wala. Pero dahil naman tayo pinagkalooban ng dalawang mabubuting anak, iniaalay po sa kanila ito at sila ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagpapatuloy sa ating ginagawa. Ayun, maraming salamat po, Village People Choice Award, sa GMA Network, GMA Public Affairs, Sparkle, sa Aguila Artist Management, sa lahat po ng judges, at sa mga host. Congrats po sa lahat ng winners po ngayong gabi nito at enjoy po natin yung gabi. Yun, palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Black Rider family, thank you. Love you.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Supporting Actress of the Year goes to the people's favorite actress who delivered outstanding performances as a supporting cast member in a television series.
The nominees are Faith Da Silva for Maging Sino Ka Man, Cyril Manabat for Senior High, Vibery Esplito for Can't Buy Me Love, Kyla Estrada for Can't Buy Me Love, Rabia Mateo for Royal Blood, and Hazel Kinochi for Abot Kamay na Pangarap.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Vibery Esplito. Congratulations!
po. Wow, Actress of the Year. To be honest with you guys, I still feel na marami pa akong kailangang matutunan. I still need a lot to improve on to be deserving of this award. But this will be a reminder for me to work hard and mas mag-improve pa, mas pagbutihan ko pa yung craft ko, which is acting. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko sa industriya simula 2016, sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa akin at patuloy na nagtitiwala hanggang ngayon. From PBB, sa aking Star Magic family, Rise Artist Studio family, at sa buong ABS-CBN family ko. And of course, to my family, to my friends, especially to my supporters who made this possible. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. This one's for you. To God be all the glory. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Congrats, me!
Kaya naman yung ano. Pang-videos niya. Rivalry Hapon Award.
The VP Choice Awards for Breakthrough Star of the Year goes to the people's favorite star for demonstrating exceptional acting skills in a role that received praise from both critics and viewers alike and has sparked conversations owing to an outstanding performance.
And the nominees are Kyla Estrada for Linlang, Jenica Garcia for Dirty Linen, Maris Racal for Can't Buy Me Love, Cyril Manabat for Dirty Linen, Miggy Jimenez for Senior High, and Zaijan Haranilla for Senior High.
The VP Choice Award goes to Maris Racal. Congratulations!
Kunin nyo na dalawa.
Pwede naman sila kumuha.
Hi everyone! First, I would like to thank Village people for the recognition and for choosing me as this year's Breakthrough Star. Playing Irene Chu for 8 months was such a joy. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Thank you, of course, to Star Creatives and Netflix for allowing me to give life kay Irene Chu. And of course, thank you po sa lahat ng mga fans for all of the love and support that I got. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal. Once again, thank you.
Congratulations.